What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about circuits of value, also known as Coval, which has pumped up quite a bit in the last 24 hours, as you can see, just about 30%, and right now trading at just under 2 cents, guys. So we're going to be going through its next target. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop back down? Also looking at, is it time to buy it right now? Is it too late? Should you sell it if you're on a profit? Or is it time to hold on to it before it pumps up in value even higher? So covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and looking at its next target over the short term and long term as well, and going through, is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram, link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website, and we can see the market is up just about 1.2% in the last 24 hours, nothing major. And as you can clearly see, circuits of value is the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Coinbase. So in the last hour itself, we managed to gain 15% in a single hour, which is absolutely crazy. Over the last day, 34%. Over the week, it has not been a very good week for Coval. As you can see, it's been dropping in value all up until earlier today, where it started to pump up, meaning it has managed to stay on the green side. And over the month, it is a nearly 100% up. However, we can see that it's been dropping quite a bit since the 13th of February for about 10 days now, where it did go up nearly 150%, hitting over 2 cents. But right now, it's slowly starting to drop back down in value. So what is its next target? So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume is only about $1 million and has gone up 100% in the last 24 hours. Of course, we are going to see more people trading the crypto, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, and especially that it's one of the top gainers. We are going to see a lot of people investing into it and a lot of people selling the cryptos, taking out the profits, and the trading volume is likely to go even higher over the coming hours as more and more people start to trade Coval. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Coval, which is 0.01727. However, it is trading at a slightly higher value here in green at just above 2 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange now looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction and looking quite steep as well. And again, if you guys have been watching my videos, you would know that whenever a MACD indicator is looking this steep, it means it's not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's gone through Coval over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. What I am expecting from circuits of value is for it to drop down a little bit before it pumps back up in value. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, yes, I am expecting an overall minimal increase in value from circuits of value, but in between that time, it's likely to take a little bit of a drop below 2 cents down to about 0.019 and then pump back up above 2 cents. It's going to be a repeated cycle of pumps and drops, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, which is all that matters. And as you guys can clearly see, it's slowly starting to drop back down in value already. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Still looking quite steep, quite bullish, guys, meaning once again it's not realistic. Over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say by mid next week, I'm expecting circuits of value to be trading around 0.018 to 0.019 cents. Again, just below 2 cents is what I'm expecting, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what I'm expecting from circuits of value over the next 7 to 8 days. And again, it's likely to drop further down to about 0.016 in the coming days highs and then slowly start to gain value towards the end of this week, early next week, pumping up to about 0.018 to 0.019 cents in target. But again, it is going to be a slow process, so make sure those of you guys who are looking to invest right now, I know there's going to be a lot of people out there looking to invest into it right now because it's pumping, but again, make sure your risk management is on point, because I'm expecting it to drop back down in value over the coming days. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? We're not looking bullish anymore or steep anymore, meaning it's much more realistic, but we do have the blue line looking bullish and the orange line looking bearish. So essentially both the blue and the orange line are going in opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the coming weeks from circuits of value. So let's say over the next 6 to 8 weeks, by mid to late April 2023, we should expect circuits of value to be trading at just about 2 cents, guys. No major changes are expected, but if there are any updates or major collaborations that they are going through that can have a potential positive or negative impact, I will of course keep you guys updated on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well, as much as I can and as soon as I can. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for circuits of value. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and for us to hit the resistance target to head into the green zone, we're going to have to hit about 0.065 cents in target, which we are quite far away from. But hopefully what I'm expecting is by mid-year, guys, we should be able to slowly and steadily gain value up to about around 6 cents in target, so potentially hitting the resistance target in Q3 of 2023 and potentially breaking out and heading into the green zone and hitting about 10 cents in Q4 of 2023 is what I'm expecting. So slow and steady increases in value is what I'm expecting from circuits of value over the coming weeks and months as well. But hopefully if the crypto market manages to stay on the green side, just like how it has been over the last 5-6 weeks, then we should be able to hit new numbers, new all-time highs from certain cryptocurrencies out there. But yeah, as long as we can hit around 10 cents from circuits of value over the coming 8 to 10 months, we should be good to go for circuits of value. But again, if there are any major changes, I will of course keep you guys updated on. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on circuits of value, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting this crypto to hit the 10 cents target? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.